Welcome, wanderers, to Wanderlust Stories, a place where the world's most fascinating true tales come alive. My name is Wanderlust, and today, follow the unraveling of a friendship that didn't survive paradise. They say travel brings people closer, but sometimes it reveals how far apart you've really grown. I thought I knew my best friend. We grew up together. We had secrets only we shared. But on our dream trip to Bali, everything I thought I knew about her unraveled. And by the end, I was running for my life. I've known Noelle since second grade. We did everything together. Birthdays, road trips, even our first tattoos. She was loud and impulsive. I was the grounded one. Opposites, but it worked. We used to dream about backpacking across Asia, so when we turned 30, we finally booked it. 4 weeks in Bali. A private villa tucked away in the jungle outside Ubud. It felt perfect. Like our old selves, before life got so complicated. But right before the trip, something in Noelle shifted. She was cagey, distracted. I chalked it up to stress. I wish I'd trusted my gut. At first, it was paradise. Morning yoga, forest walks, mango smoothies. Noelle met a guy, Wayan, a woodcarver who barely said more than 5 words at a time. She latched onto him quickly. I didn't like how he looked at me. Or didn't, really. Like I was invisible. One night I woke up sweating. I swear someone was standing at the foot of my bed. The door was open. When I mentioned it, Noelle just laughed. Said I was dreaming. Then my phone disappeared for hours. When it came back, there were photos on it, but I hadn't taken them. Pictures of me, sleeping, eating, walking alone. I found a note in my bag. It wasn't in English, just symbols scrawled on a ripped napkin with my name scratched out. A local tour guide translated it. Your shadow has a second name. I didn't know what it meant, but Noelle's reaction chilled me. She didn't act surprised, just blank, like she already knew. That night, Wayan showed up uninvited. Said Noelle asked him over. She denied it. They fought quietly outside while I pretended to sleep. In the morning, Wayan was gone. So was my passport. Noelle stopped journaling around me. She locked her suitcase. I started having dreams again. This time I was drowning. And Noelle just stood there watching, smiling. One morning, all my clothes were soaked and laid out across the garden. Noelle said it rained. It didn't. The skies were clear. And then I found her notebook, hidden under the mattress. Pages and pages of me. My handwriting, my phrases, my routines copied. One page read, "If I become her, I'll finally matter." That's when I realized. She didn't just envy me. She wanted to replace me. I packed quietly that night and booked a hotel in Seminyak. Car was scheduled for sunrise. But when I woke up, the door was locked from the outside. Noelle was gone. Her voice called from the woods. I followed it. God, I wish I hadn't. There was a shrine. My things. Earrings, the necklace my mum gave me, my birth certificate, placed neatly beneath a carved statue of 2 women joined at the hip. One face had been chiseled off. Then Noelle stepped out, calm, smiling. You left me a long time ago, Tess. I'm just making sure you never do again. I ran barefoot through the rice fields, scraped my legs on thorny branches. A farmer found me crying and shaking and brought me to town. The police brought me back later. Noelle was there, drinking tea. She looked at me like I was a stranger, claimed I'd gotten lost hiking. They arrested her. She was later diagnosed with a severe dissociative disorder. They said it was triggered by years of identity issues and unresolved trauma. I still don't understand it. Maybe I never will. People talk about dream vacations, soul trips, life-changing getaways. I got all of that, just not in the way I ever expected. I lost a friend, a sister, but I got away with my life. And now every time someone asks where I've been, I hesitate before I say Bali, because the truth is, I never really came back the same. Until next time, my fellow wanderers, remember some trips change your life. Others reveal the cracks that were always there.